Netflix Finish Sign Up Problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve the Finish Sign Up problem on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to solve the Finish Sign Up problem on Netflix, this usually happens when you've created your email and password but then you didn't enter your payment details. That is why your sign up process is not complete. So you can go to netflix.com and try to log into the same account. After that, after you log in with the email and password, it will ask you to choose a plan. So all we have to do is now verify our payment details and subscribe to Netflix to finish the sign up process. So tap on the next option over here. Just choose a plan that is correct for you, whether it is 4K, standard, basic or mobile plan, depending on what you want. Then just tap on the next option here. Once you tap on the next option, just make sure to verify your billing details, such as the subscription as well as also the billing details. Tap on the I agree button, tap on start membership, and then you will be able to renew your membership. This way you should be able to solve the Finish sign up problem. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.